So here UV differentiation. After UV differentiation, from this term and this term, write the pi common. Here pi common, we get dou square xi by dou x square plus dou square xi by dou y square plus dou square xi by dou z square. So divergence A bar equal to, we can write pi common we get dou square xi by dou x square plus dou square xi by dou y square plus dou square xi by dou z square plus dou pi by dou x dot dou xi by dou x plus dou pi by dou y dot dou xi by dou y plus dou pi by dou z dot dou xi by dou z. From this we can write this is the pi, this is the del square xi plus this also we can write del pi dot del xi. So the divergence of A bar value, this one, pi del square xi plus del pi dot del z. Already in starting we consider the divergence theorem. That is the equation 3. So from this equation, this is the fourth equation. From this equation, divergence A value substitute in equation 3. We get volume integration. Equation 4 substitute in equation 3. We get volume integration xi del square pi plus del pi dot del xi into dv. Also we can write here pi del square xi also equal to, in A bar place we can write pi del xi dot ds. This is the fifth equation. So this is known as Green's first theorem. This is known as this is known as Green's first theorem. Green's first theorem. After that, interchanging pi and xi in equation 5, we get here in pi place we can write xi and in xi place we can write pi. In equation 5, in pi place we can write xi and in xi place we can write pi. We get another equation, that is the second form of the Green's theorem. Interchanging pi and xi in equation 5. In equation 5, this equation, we get volume integration pi. In xi place we can write pi del square xi plus del into xi dot del pi into dv equal to surface integration. Here pi we can write xi del pi into ds. This is the sixth equation. So this is known as Green's second theorem. This is known as Green's theorem, second theorem. This is known as Green's second theorem. This is first theorem. This is Green's second theorem. Okay. After that, problems based on Stokes theorem and divergence theorem and Green's theorem. First one. Using Stokes theorem, using Stokes theorem, using Stokes theorem, prove that line integration r dot dl equal to 0 where r is position vector, r is position vector. What is the question? Using Stokes theorem, prove that line integration r dot dl equal to 0 where r is position vector. In solution, so what is the Stokes theorem? By Stokes theorem, we can write surface in line integration a dot dl equal to surface integration curl a dot ds. By Stokes theorem, we have Stokes theorem, we have line integration a dot dl equal to surface integration curl a dot ds. Here replacing the vector, replacing the vector, replacing the vector a bar by position vector by position vector or we get, sorry, this is the Stokes theorem. After that, replacing the vector a bar by position vector r bar, we get line integration r dot dl equal to surface integration curl r dot ds. So curl r equal to 0, we can write this value equal to 0. Line integral r dot dl equal to surface integration 0 dot ds. Total value 0. That means line integral r dot dl equal to 0. This is the first one. Next, second one. If n cap is the unit outward drawn normal to any closed surface of area, if n cap is the unit outward drawn normal to any closed surface of area S, show that if n cap is the unit outward drawn normal to any closed surface of area S, then we have to show that volume integration divergence n cap into ds equal to S. So in solution, according to Gauss divergence theorem, according to Gauss divergence theorem, volume integration, divergence n cap into dv equal to surface integration n cap dot ds. In next step, surface integration n cap dot n cap into ds. So n cap dot n cap we get 1. From that surface integration ds. So surface integration ds means we get s. So volume integration of divergence n cap into dv equal to we get s. Next, second one, third one. Prove that integration dr cross b equal to surface integration n cap cross del cross b ds. So here we have to prove that line integration dr cross b equal to surface integration n cap cross del cross b into ds. In solution, by Stokes theorem. Here we have to consider Stokes theorem. By Stokes theorem, integration a dot dr equal to surface integration del cross a dot n cap into ds. Here put a equal to b cross c, where c is a constant vector. Where c is a constant vector. Now here a dot dr, a means b cross c. Substitute value we get integration b cross c dot dr equal to surface integration del cross, here a means b cross c dot n cap into ds. And we know that b cross c dot dr equal to b cross c dot dr equal to dr dot b cross c equal to c into dr cross b.